In today's video, we are going to explore some Bohemian style home decor inspiration. Bohemian style decor is all about expressing your creativity, embracing and relaxing electrical vibe, and surrounding yourself with the vibe, color, and texture. Let's start and see some easy and inspired ideas to infuse your space with Bohemian charm. Hi, welcome to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your home decoring. Tip number 1. Embrace a vibrant color palette. Bohemian decor is known for its bold and rich colors. Think deep blues, vibrant reds, and earthy orange and luscious green. Use this color and accent on wall, furniture, or through texture to create a lively and separated atmosphere. Look at how these rich colors instantly bring life to the room. The combination of vibrant pillows, a colorful rugs, and a statement wall creates a bohemian oasis. Don't be afraid to experiment with the bold hues and create a space that reflects your personality. Tip number 2. Mix pattern and textile. Bohemian decor celebrates an eclectic mix of pattern, texture, and fabric. Combine different prints such as floral and geometric and tribal to create a visually captivating space. Layer textile like rugs, cushion, and tapestries for adding warmth and coziness. Look at this Bohemian inspired living room, the mix of pattern from the rug of the cushion. Create an inspiring and visually appealing space. The combination of different textures adding depth and create a cozy atmosphere. Tip number 3. Incorporate natural elements. Bohemian decor draws inspiration from nature. Integrate natural material like rattan, jet, and macrame into your space and plants and greenery to bring life and a sense of tranquility. Look at how these natural elements enhance the Bohemian vibe. The rattan chair, jet, rugs, and macrame wall hanging add a touch to organic beauty. Plants not only bring a breath of fresh air but also infuse the calming and grounding elements. Tips number 4. Incorporate vintage and handcrafted pieces. Bohemian decor crushes a unique and one of a kind item. Visit flora market, thrift stores, and explore online platforms to find vintage floor furniture. Quirky accessories and handmade craft that add character and tell a story. Take a look at this vintage and handcraft treasures. The antique chest, the handmade tapestry, and the collection of vintage accessories create a truly personalized and electric bohemian space. Embrace the beauty of the imperfection and let your space reflect your individuality. Tip number 5: create cozy and invited seating area. Bohemian decor is all about relaxation and comfort. Arranging floor, cushion, puffs, and low seating to create cozy nook where you can unwind, read a book, or gather with friends. Look at how these cozy sitting areas invite you to sit back and relax. The combination of floor cushion, props, and low coffee table creates a laid back and invited space. Surrounding yourself with cushion and soft texture for the ultimate bohemian comfort. And there you have it. Bohemian style become decor inspiration by the embrace and the vibrant color palette, mixing pattern and textures, incorporating natural elements, adding vintage and handcrafting pieces, and creating a cozy sitting areas. You can bring the Bohemian spirit into your own home. Hope you found this tip inspiring. That's I think you are ready to infuse your space with bohemian charm. If you enjoyed the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to the Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel for more inspiring and helpful videos. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.